Hi everybody, lovely to see you. Thanks for coming. Today we're going to think about all sorts of different kinds of wheels and what those wheels are on. But first of all, we'll sing our hello song to make everybody welcome. Sing hello to everyone, sing hello to everyone, sing hello to everyone, sing hello. Let's clap. Clap hello to everyone, clap hello to everyone, clap hello to everyone, clap hello. And have a bit of a wriggle to loosen ourselves up. Wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello. So hello everyone, and let's get those wheels going. Well, we all know about the wheels on the bus, and I've managed to find a bus with its wheels on, and it rolls along because it's on wheels. It's got two wheels at the back and two wheels at the front. But there's lots of other vehicles as well. Brighton and Hove is full of cars, and the cars roll along on their wheels as well. That's what keeps them going, just like the bus. There's two wheels at the back and two wheels at the front. Now, you may remember going up with Judy on a journey to visit a farm, Old MacDonald's farm, and Old MacDonald had one of these. Yes, she had a tractor, and tractors, like cars, have got two wheels at the front and two wheels at the back. But the wheels at the back on this tractor, look, they're much bigger than the wheels at the front. Why would you have different size wheels? Well, I think it's probably because out on the farm in the winter time when it rains a lot, it can get very, very muddy, and the farmer doesn't want the tractor to get bogged down in the mud. So they design tractors with big, strong wheels at the back. So even if they're in the mud, they can go get back up to the mud again. Very useful. If you're going out traveling in the countryside, you might go in a car, or you might on a bus, or you might go on the train. And trains run on wheels as well, but not on the road, they run on the rails. If you go to Brighton Station, you won't see a train like this, because this is a puffer train. You'll see the electric trains, and maybe if you're very lucky, you might be able to have a look at the engine and count how many wheels it's got on it. What about things that fly? They have wheels. It's a plane. They have wings on, and that's the wings help them to fly and stay up in the air. But look at this plane. It's got one wheel at the front and two wheels at the back. Why has it got wheels on? You don't need wheels when you're flying, it's getting away. But sometime or other, the plane is going to come into land. And if it's got wheels on, it keeps the body of the plane off the ground and there isn't a crash. So that's good, isn't it? That's why planes have wheels, to help them land. Let's start to think about other things that fly. There are helicopters. With a rotor on the top. This helicopter's got wheels on as well. But lots of helicopters don't have wheels at all. They're like this one. They've got sort of kind of skids on the bottom. Maybe that's if they could land in snow to rescue somebody who got lost on the mountain. It might be better with skids on. So some helicopters with wheels and some with no wheels at all. But how about things that you might have round the house. I wonder if anybody in your house has got a skateboard. Skateboards run on wheels, two at the front, two at the back, just like a car. If the skateboard didn't have any wheels, it wouldn't run, would it? Or maybe somebody in the family's got a bike. You might get a bike when you're a bit bigger. The bikes only have two wheels on them. I borrowed this bike from Judy. Thank you, Judy. But they're quite difficult to balance on. So maybe when you're a bit bigger, the wheels go around. You might have a scooter. Lots of people have scooters these days. Of course, down on the level, looking at the scooters, some scooters have got two wheels at the front and one at the back. And other scooters have got two wheels at the front and two wheels at the back. And other scooters have got one wheel at the front and one wheel at the back. I wonder why that is. You might like to have a little think about this. Now, when you go out, do you go out walking down the road, or do you go vroom on your scooter, or are you sitting in a buggy, nice and cozy, tucked up and comfy? And how many wheels has your buggy got on it? I've been looking, and I've seen buggies with one wheel at the front and two wheels at the back. I've seen buggies with two wheels at the front and two wheels at the back. And I've seen other buggies which have got two wheels this side, two more that side. So four at the front and 1, 2, 3, 4 at the back as well. Four wheels at the front and four wheels at the back. That makes 8 wheels altogether. Goodness me, that's a lot of wheels. Would you like to go off now? Just check out your buggy, count up the wheels. Come back and tell me, see how many wheels are on it. Wow, all these wheels. Shall we have a bit of a song? Let's sing a bit of Wheels on the Bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Well, I was looking in my toy box, and what did I find? I found this. 3 mice, 1, 2, 3, and they're mice on wheels. And there's a string, so you can pull them along. And when you pull the string, I can make it go. The wheels go round. There's 1, 2, 3 wheels this side, and 1, 2, 3 wheels that side. So when you pull it along, the wheels go round. But there's something else really funny. Have you noticed? Look carefully. When I turn the wheel, the mouse goes up and down. Isn't that clever? I wonder who thought up this. Well, you can't borrow this one because this one's mine. It's in my toy box. But in the toy library, we've got quite a lot of pull-along toys. And if you'd like to borrow one, you tell your grown-ups and they can send an email to the toy library and say what toys you'd like to borrow. Let's pull along. Well then, so many wheels. I thought, could I possibly make something with wheels on? Well, I tried to make this little cart, and look, it does actually roll. The wheels go, oops, I've just lost a wheel. Never mind. See if I can get it back on. There we go. So the wheels go round and round in my little cart as well. What I did is I found an old box of tea bags, empty. Still smells of the tea bags. And that's the main part of the cart. And then I thought about making the wheels. I've got a piece of cardboard off an old box. And I cut out 4 wheels. So I've got 2 at the front and 2 at the back. And how to make the wheels stick on the cart? Well, I made a hole in the middle of the cardboard wheel, and I got a stick. Nice. And I stuck the stick through the middle of the wheel, had to make a hole in the wheel, stuck the stick through the middle. And I thought, how am I going to get this wheel onto the cart? I had a little think. I thought, well, if I make some holes in the cart, one hole there, another hole on the other side, then I can put my stick through the hole and through the other hole, and you get wheels on. I needed to find something sharp and pointy to make the holes with. So this is something you need to think about and be careful and talk to your grown-ups. And maybe your grown-ups could do the poking through with the pointy sharp thing, because we want to keep everybody safe. We don't want anybody to get hurt with something sharp and pointy. So there we go. If you didn't have any sticks, you could possibly think about something else that might be strong and could go through. Maybe something like a chopstick might work. You'd have to make the holes a bit bigger, which is a bit more tricky. Or maybe one of those straws. You could poke a drinking straw through the middle. They're not as strong as sticks. They might get squashed, so you might need to be a little bit careful. But anyway, that's the cart that I made. Rolly, 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 rolly. I think that's all we've got time for today. So it's going to be time to say goodbye again. Shall we sing our goodbye song? Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you for coming. It was lovely to see you. Have a good day.